Hey everyone, welcome back. On this channel, I make crypto charts simple, no jargon. So grab a coffee, open your chart, and follow along. Let's dive in. Step 1. Spot the trend. Zoom out on your chart. Are you seeing higher highs and higher lows? That's an uptrend. Lower highs and lower lows? That's a downtrend. If price just bounces between 2 points, that's sideways, a tough one to trade. Always follow the trend, never fight it. Step 2. Find support and resistance. Think of support as the floor, where price keeps bouncing up. Resistance is the ceiling, where price keeps getting knocked down. The more times a level holds, the stronger it is. Mark these levels first. It makes everything else easier. 3. Draw the trend line. In an uptrend, connect the higher lows with a line. In a downtrend, connect the lower highs. This line shows you the direction and momentum. As long as price respects the trend line, the trend stays strong. Step 4. Spot the pattern. Look at the shape forming on your chart. Is it a triangle, a flag, a double top, or a head and shoulders? These patterns aren't magic. Step 5. Break and retest. When the trend line finally breaks, don't jump in right away. Wait and watch. Does price come back to retest that broken level? If it retests and holds, that's your confirmation. This single habit will save you from so many fake outs. Bonus. The secret candle close. When price retests support or resistance, don't enter on the wick alone. Wait for the candle to fully close at that level. A closed candle is your strongest confirmation. Wicks lie, but a closed candle doesn't. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a break.